So here's a question for you. How many of you remember as a kid walking straight out your front door on those long summer days, riding your bike, climbing trees, building dens, and playing hide and seek or 40-40 in the long grass and playing football until it got dark? And how many of us now, we're parents, would love to give our children the same opportunity? Well, at today's property, you absolutely can. But to appreciate the location, you're going to have to start higher. Positioned between Henley and Wallingford is Oakley Court, one of my favourite locations. Not only is it a unique setting with your own private meadow in the middle of all these privately owned houses, but you've got countryside in every direction that you look. So if you're sold on a location, I suppose it's time to see the house. As soon as you walk in, you know this is going to be something special. I mean, look at the size of this entrance hallway. It's bigger than my lounge. And not only have you got this tremendous entrance space, but you've got 5 reception rooms as well. So not only have you got this amazing timber and glazed extension at the back on the dining room, but you've got this private oasis as well. So if the kids are playing out there, this is your own sanctuary and mature space. Not only have you got views out the front, but you've got the views out the back as well. So if you thought the downstairs was spacious, then the upstairs also doesn't disappoint. So you've got an incredibly spacious family home in this amazing location. I'm really looking forward to meeting the next family that gets to live here. So the only question left is, will it be you and yours?